Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the Babbel magazine on the Babbel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the Explore button next to the Live section at the bottom of the page. Scroll down and the last option, the Babbel magazine, and click to the See All. And here you can find different topics and articles. And if you want to read one, just click that. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.